Hi, this short video is designed to introduce myself and my Nottingham automatic driving school. I'm Rob Cooling and I've been an approved driving instructor since 2006. I offer a comprehensive driving course for students with special needs, learning difficulties, anxiety, or those who experience difficulties with the process of learning to drive. I aim to treat each student as an individual, and through teamwork I will always try to adapt my teaching and the syllabus to the needs of the individual, working at the pace each student requires and guiding you through relevant resources and support accommodations for the theory and driving test. I teach driving in a Kia e-Niro, easily my favourite car I've ever taught in, with great visibility and driver seat and steering adjustability for a diverse range of students. It is important to me that learning is positive, engaging and enjoyable, as much for myself as my students.